I'd like to invite up Angela Alvarez to help give this award away. Angela, please come join us. Our little bank's falling off here. Okay.
And here are the nominees: Bank PKO, Bank Zachodni WBK, DNB Bank Polska, EBRD, ING Bank i Raiffeisen Bank Polska.
So Angela, thank you for helping us hand out this award today.
Thank you. And the winner is EBRD.
And please feel free to say a few words.
So it's a great honor to collect this award actually for the second year in a row for the bank, especially given the competition we had. And all I can say is that I trust that we will not disappoint you this year as well.
Okay, great. Well, congratulations again.
Thank you.
Enjoy the rest of the evening.